Making great product videos for digital products can give you headaches, but if all you want is a simple video, then I have an easy technique for you. In fact, let me show you how to make stunning product reveal videos that will make your Etsy listings incredible. But first, let's talk why you should add a video into your Etsy listings. As you know, selling on Etsy Marketplace means dealing with millions of other sellers. This also means your Etsy shop needs to grab attention in seconds. Static photos work fine, but videos create magic. They bring your products to life, shows buyers exactly what they will get. With physical products, it's easy to create such videos, but for digital products, it is tough. However, I found that in Canva you can create amazing reveal effect that grabs that attention you want. And here is my step-by-step process that takes just minutes. First, open Canva and choose a video project. I like to use 1:1 aspect ratio because it works best for my products. Then, at the final view of the product you want buyers to see, place all your elements, your product images, text, pricing details, right where they belong. Be creative because this becomes your final view that buyers will see. For this video, I'm choosing a mockup of a phone with a 100-day challenge tracker. Next comes the interesting part. Add some interesting and aesthetic elements to the design. These elements should cover most of the digital products because we will use them for the reveal effect. Once you are done, make a copy of that page. Just click on the three dots menu and select Duplicate Page. Now, on this duplicate page, move all your elements off to the sides. Push them just beyond the edges where they will hide until the big reveal. Okay, great. Now it's time to add a smooth transition. Just click between the pages, click on the Add Transition button and select Match and Move from the options. This tells the editor to smoothly slide everything from the edges into their final spots. When you play the video, watch how your elements glide into place. The effect looks super professional, but it takes zero video skills to create. And don't forget to set the clip duration around 3 seconds for both clips and the duration of the transition around 1 or 1.5 seconds. This creates stunning and magical reveal. I also recommend you to keep your movements simple. Just 2 or 4 elements sliding in looks clean. Too many moving parts can get messy. Also pick a direction that makes sense and time your movements right. Quick slides feel energetic, however slower moves let buyers take in the details. As you see, this method is simple and can be used if you have no idea how to create a video for digital product. Don't forget to keep it simple, focus on showing your product clearly and watch how buyers respond. So, I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and if you want, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more video tutorials about Canva or Etsy.